Hello, good morning. My name is JohnClintVillar from BSCE2C Batch 2. And here I'm going to answer the problems provided in engineering data analysis subject. Okay, so question number 1. In how many ways can 5 starting positions on a basketball team be filled with 8 men who can play any of the positions? So, dito sa problem na ito is we need to obtain in how many ways can 5 starting positions on a basketball team be filled with 8 men. So dito meron tayong 5 different position. So ang gagamitin natin is permutation because the positioning or ordering the players is very important. So sabi sa theorem, the number of permutations of R objects taken from the group N object is, so ito yung ating formula, permutation of n and r, n factorial all over n minus r factorial. So, ang n natin is 8 that represents the group of basketball players, and r is equal to 5 that represents the player to fill the starting positions. So, let's just substitute the n and r. So, kapag in-enter natin to sa calculator is meron tayong 6,720 ways or permutations. Then, let's go here to number 2. Find the number of ways that 6 teachers can be assigned to 4 sections of an introductory psychology course if no teachers is assigned more than 1 section. So here, sabi is number of ways again. So, ang ordering nito is important. That's why permutation ulit ang gagamitin natin. So, here's again the formula. Then, ang n naman natin this time is 6, which represents the teachers. And r is equal to 4 na sections to be filled with the teachers. So, substitute lang natin. 6 factorial all over 6 minus 4 factorial is equal to 720 all over 2 or 360. So, there are 360 possible ways to assign 4 teachers to these sections. So, problem number 3. In how many ways can 4 boys and 5 girls sit in a row if the boys and girls must alternate? So, let's say G is girls and B is boys. So, 5 girls muna tayo. So, the number of permutations of these 5 girls is 5 factorial, which is 120. So, ito yung probability niya. Then, 4 boys naman, the number of permutation niya is factorial 4 is equal to 24. So, ito, sabi sa problem is alternate. So, ganito ang magiging itsura niya. GB, 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 and BG. So, meron tayong dalawang operation dito. So, if the first operational can be performed in one way, and for each of this way, there's a second operation that can be performed, then these two operations can be performed together. So, pag mumultiplyin lang natin. So, let n1 be the number of permutation of girls and let n2 be the number of permutations of boys. So, ito ang n1 natin at ito ang n2. So, multiplication lang, n1 times n2 or 120 times 24. So, the answer is 2,880. So, therefore, 4 boys and 5 girls can sit in a row in 2,880 ways in an alternate arrangement. So, last problem, if 3 books are picked at random from shelf containing 5 novels, 3 books of poem, and a dictionary, what is the probability of that A, dictionary is selected, and B, 2 novels and 1 book of poem is selected? So, dito muna is alamin muna natin yung kung ilan yung total nung books. So, we have 5 novels, 3 poem, and 1 dictionary. So, that gives us a total of 9 books. So, dito sa problem na ito is random yung pag-pick ng libro. So, hindi important yung order niya. That's why we will use combinations. So, ang formula sa ating combinations is n combination of r, wherein n is the number of items in set and r is the number of items selected from the sets. So, first, kunin muna natin yung number of ways to select 3 books from 9 books. So, when we enter 9 combination 3, ang lalabas is 84 ways. So, dito sa A, ang sabi is dictionary is selected. So, first, we get the probability na makakuha tayo ng dictionary. So, 1 combination 1. Then, meron pa tayong remaining 2 other books kasi 3, sabi sa problem is 3 random. So, that's why 8 kasi minus the dictionary, 9 minus the dictionary. So, 8 combination 2. So, kapag pinag-multiply natin ito, ang lalabas is 28. So, yung required probability naman is pagdi-divide din lang natin ito sa dito. So, ang probability na makakuha tayo ng dictionary and 2 other books is 1/3 or 0.33. Then, dito naman sa B, kukunin natin yung probability na makakuha tayo ng 2 novels and 1 poem book. So, number of ways to select 2 novels and 1 poem book. So, 2 novels. So, in our given, there's 5 novels. So, 5 combination ni 2. Ayan. Multiplied by the 1 poem book, 1. And on the given, we have 3. So, 3 combination 1. So, when we enter this on the calculator, it's equal to 30. Then, ganun din sa A, i-divide lang natin sa 84. Then, makukuha natin yung required probability, which is 30 divided by 84 is equal to 5/14 or 0.357.